Hi guys, welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. I am Kara, and no, you are not at the wrong channel. I actually finally got a real camera, so we're going to be unboxing BOXYCHARM for April 2019. What is in here? Let's find out. It is BOXYCHARM time, and I got this 3 days ago. I know last month I got it late, but then again everyone did because there was the delay. But this one seemed to come early, and I'm not like an influencer where I'm on their radar and they send me things early. I've only been with BOXYCHARM for about 3 months. And I know last month everyone's came late. The month before, I don't remember for my first month whether it came at the beginning of the month or the end or the middle. I just don't remember. But I've had this for about 3 days, so it's time to unbox it. Let's go. Okay. Now we already know we're getting the brush set and the palette. Okay, everybody knows that. And then BOXYCHARM emailed me, they email, I guess, everybody, and they told me that for the glow powder, I was getting the summer haze one, which is the pink one, not the purple one. Okay. Peace, love, and Boxy. It's festival season. Yay. Okay. I'm already seeing my 2 variations, and okay, let's do the 3 items that everybody's getting. Let's do that first. Okay, this is PUR Festival. Everybody's getting this. Okay, PUR Festival comes with this little eyeshadow primer. I've never tried the PUR eyeshadow primer. This is it. You've seen this before in my spoilers videos. I have tried PUR shadows before, and they were really pigmented and quite nice. So this is one I thought at first when I saw it in the sneak peeks that I would almost certainly swap it at that swap site. I'm going to link the swap site above. It's a great place to go where you can swap for free any subscription box items that you have. And I've done it before and it works great. It's totally cool. But the more I thought about it, I thought I might just keep this. I mean, this color gold is gorgeous. So I'm gonna swatch it. If I swatch it, that means I'm keeping it. So little good. Oh, it's so cute. This is the little rosy. Wow. Duochrome glittery. This is called Fireworks. I mean, come on. It's too cute. It's too cute. And then here is a shimmer called Good Vibes. Comes off very coppery. And how about the hot pink? This hot pink, I have no idea where I would use this. I'm like, ow. It's a little chunky. It's not as, I just had some chunks fall out. Look, I just had that chunk just fall out. You know, it's all over my hands. But the pink is a little chunky going onto my arm, but cute. You can see this pink, there's like little chunks coming off it already. But aside from the pink, I think that these glitter shadows are so cute, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I think the palette stays. You stay, palette, you stay. I'm not throwing you out. Next up is the Artist Couture Glow Powder. And Boxy sent an email which told me the color I was getting. And I knew that I was getting Summer Haze, which is the pinky color. I did a little research, and I saw online that there were some YouTubers who were very fair skinned like me that use this powder, and it was actually darker than their skin. So when you're very fair like I am, you can't really go with highlighters that are darker than your skin. And I don't really know if you can see the color in this, but it's a little darker than my skin, and I don't think that this is a good match for me. So rather than swatch it, I am going to swap it. It comes with a plastic container, so rather than open it and try it out, I just don't think this is a match for me. This will go in my swap pile. You leave. You leave. Up next is the Luxie Summer Days brush set. This is a 3-piece set, 2 eye brushes and one, I believe this is a small contouring brush. So let's check this one out. Okay, this is the large shader. I will hold it up so you guys can take a look at that. This is the large shader. I like it. I have larger shaders than this. Like I wouldn't necessarily call this a large shader. I might just call this a medium shader. And then this is a small shader. Very cute. The colors are pink and it goes to ombre down at the bottom. And then the final brush is a small contour brush. So Luxie makes good brushes. Gotta love Luxie. And on the back it says, use these 3 dazzling brushes to achieve your most enchanting makeup looks. Okay, Luxie. Okay. Okay, now we're getting down to the final 2, which are my variations. Everybody has those 3, and then there's the 2 variations. And I saw other people in their unboxing. Some people got lashes. I got a black eyeliner. I've gotten a lot of black eyeliners from Ipsy, from BOXYCHARM. It's a black eyeliner. This is from the company Beauty for Real, which I have never heard of before. And it is a black eyeliner. This is in Finish Line, and that's why there's a black and white checker flag. It's like a race car theme. So, black eyeliner. Next up for my second variation, a company again I've never heard of. It is Steve Laurent. Not to be confused with his cousin Yves Saint Laurent. Oh boy. Okay, this is a lip gloss. This is in the color Champagne, which I don't think is going to go very well on my light skin. I think it's just going to provide a little bit of a gloss. And the color is basically the color of my lips. This may not make it to my makeup stash. This may get swapped out. So comment down below what you got as your 2 variations and whether you like them or not. Also, are you happy with your Artist Couture color? Overall, BOXYCHARM is a really good deal. You pay $21 a month plus state tax and you get 5 full-size items. It's definitely worth it. I mean, every single month that I've gotten it, even if I had 2 items that I didn't like, there were always items that I did like, 2 or 3 items I did like. And when you get a palette that's worth over $30 and brushes that are worth near $30, it already makes up for the price of the box. The price of the box is only $21, so I still love BOXYCHARM, and I just don't expect that every single month I'm going to have 5 items that are totally perfect for me. I say if I get 3 great items, then it's a good month for me and BOXYCHARM. So in my description box will be a link where you can sign up for BOXYCHARM. It is $21 a month plus state tax. Don't forget that I have a beauty giveaway going on. It's beauty and skincare giveaway. And maybe you'll get a black eyeliner. Maybe I'll put this in the giveaway box, but it's a beauty and skincare giveaway. It's open worldwide. I pay for shipping anywhere in the world, and you just have to go to my video that says beauty giveaway. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you're in. That's it. Nothing difficult and confusing. I'm gonna link that up here. Okay guys, thank you so much. That is the conclusion of this BOXYCHARM unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a growing channel. I need new subscribers. Thanks guys, and I'll see you real soon.